I think we have a change in the garden interior field at the moment. Some years ago, the people spent just a lot of money for living room interior, for kitchens, bathrooms, and so on. And now they found out that there is another space, the garden. And yeah, you spend a lot of time in this place, in the garden, the best time of the summer. And so why not having a beautiful interior in this kind of room? The first idea for this collection I have had in one of the beautiful gardens in Kyoto, where you see all the beautiful plants, the trees, the colored leaves and all this. The idea was to design a chair which is shaped like a leaf. When I came back to my studio, I started to make models with paper, like origami people do, and so I found the shape for the chairs and the lounges and so on. The furniture collection is based on a very functional design. I always try to design products in a way that people can use the products in daily life. We have a lot of new materials now, like polyurethane and other things. It is possible to design a chair for the outdoor field which is a very comfortable and long-lasting seat. Life is creation, I just live that. I met Mr. Seifang in Milano at the furniture fair, Salone Satellite. I think it was 2 years ago, and since that day we work together. Fischer Möbel is a German brand for outdoor furniture. They produce design collections which are based on high quality, German product design development, and yeah, they have very long-lasting and very beautiful products.